Hey coding owls, welcome back to the channel. This video will complete the practical 10 of your series where we have to write an abstract class car with start and stop, write two classes Santro and Audi and override the methods from car, and then write two interfaces sports car and commercial car and implement the appropriate interface on appropriate class made in example 1. So this is a wholesome example. Let's jump into this and start working on it. So let's start our CMD. Let's start our VS Code. So I will close all this first. Let's create another folder here. Call it as practical 10. Under practical 10, let me first create a file car.java, and under this car.java I'm going to make this class as abstract in nature, and it will have two abstract methods. Those are what? Public abstract void start, public abstract void stop. So these are my two classes. Then I'll create a class centro.java. Centro.java is actually going to extend car, and as it is an abstract class, I can ask it to override the. Okay, it's not taking it yet. Public abstract class. Okay. This cannot be resolved over type. Okay, I'm not worried of that. Let's quickly override those two methods. So you know how to override. Copy the method, both the methods. How do we do that? We paste it here. We get rid of keyword abstract. We get rid of keyword abstract, and we replace the semicolon with pair of curly braces. We replace the semicolon with pair of curly braces. So here I'm going to say system.out.println start of Centro. Next, what we'll do is stop of Centro. And this is how you do that first thing. So I'll just go into practical 10. I'll say Java C Centro.java. It's compiled. Okay. Then I want to create Audi.java. Audi.java will again extend what car. So I can simply copy everything from here because it is also implementing those two interfaces. Those two methods. So I will say extend car, and this is going to be the start of Audi, and this is going to be the stop of Audi. Okay, so this is done. I can compile Audi.java as well. It's done. And then they have asked that we need to implement two interfaces. So first is sports car. Okay, sports car.java, and here I will replace it with an interface of sports car, and lets me write only one method here, public void race. So sports car will race, and a commercial car dot java, it is again an interface. So this will normally run. Okay, public void run semicolon. Okay, commercial car. And now Santro will implements commercial car, and it has to override the method run. So public void run method, and system.out.println run of Santro. Okay, and then when it comes to Audi, we will implement sports car, Okay, I made a mistake in sports car in the spelling. It has to be sports car, and let me replace it here as well quickly. Okay, here it was correct. Sports car. Okay, so Audi is going to implement sports car, and it will have a method public void race system.out.println race of Audi. Okay, and then obviously we'll have our runner. So I'll have runner.java, which will have my main method as well. So system dot okay, I have got my main method. So I start with Santro s is equal to new Santro, and then I can say s dot start because it is implemented car, s dot stop, it has implemented car, and then s dot run because it has implemented commercial. At the same time, I have got Audi A is equal to new Audi, and here I do what A dot start again because it has extended car. A dot stop because it has extended car, but this time it will be A dot race because it has implemented commercial car. Okay. And now if I say Java C runner, Java C runner dot Java and Java space runner. Okay, so this is how you basically implement your classes and interfaces. So thank you for watching.